I got a story on Dr. Disrespect here. I just realized there was no closure ever when he kind of went off Twitch. We covered it and talked about it a couple of times and waited, and people said, I know why he got banned, and he said, I don't know why I got banned, and we tried to follow the news. So I thought it was worth some kind of an update here because he did put out a video saying that his Twitch ban is causing him anxiety, and that's not really typically in the character of the Dr. Disrespect thing to suggest that there's any weakness at all. I wouldn't call being having anxiety a weakness, but you know what I'm saying. It's a lot of bravado.
Yes.
You got to be, actually, the truth is you got to be real tough to talk about your anxiety problems.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the angle he's going for. But he seems sincere in it as much as you can be when you're in character. So he went on there and kind of said, hey, I still don't understand. I still don't know why I was banned from Twitch. It's okay. I know I'm here on YouTube, but he said, I'm getting this anxiety in giant waves that's coming because I can imagine that feeling of uncertainty be a pretty major thing if you truly don't know why you were banned and you had this tremendous success on a platform, you're just sitting there waiting for the hammer to drop, for somebody to say, you don't know what what the accusations really are. Yeah. It's almost worse than knowing. And he even kind of suggests that in this short video saying, hey, I've made mistakes in the past and I came out and made amends and I apologized or whatever. In some ways, it's worse to not know what you're being accused of because you can't come out and put it to rest. And it just remains there and sits there on your shoulders. He also kind of references his inability to play with certain people since they're on Twitch and they can't really play with him anymore because he's banned off the platform. And I guess it would put them in jeopardy to do so, I assume. Now, they could go to YouTube to play with him, but their audiences are on Twitch. You understand the difficulty in that. But anyway, he continues to say that he does not know why he was banned. And I find that just incredible that he still does not know why he was banned, especially since other people, reporters in the space, are saying they know. And people supposedly familiar with the matter are saying they know.
Why isn't there more of like a uproar for this ban? Like,
right.
Because in actuality, I mean, if Twitch really didn't like someone, you know, they can actually have them kicked off, right? Without any reason or without disclosing it. Right? Having that kind of power.
Yeah. So, okay. Are you suggesting that he should be putting more pressure on Twitch, suing them or something?
Yes, but also like the Twitch fan base.
But isn't that isn't that scary to go after somebody like Twitch? I mean, it's huge.
It is scary, but isn't it the right thing to do?
Yeah, I see what you're saying. If you're a fan, you'd assume that the fans would want a little bit more closure on the thing as well.
Yeah,
I think it helps that he's on YouTube. They get to go watch him there, and he didn't just simply evaporate. Maybe if he had stayed completely off, then people would have really started to get the pitchforks going to figure out what was going on. But it remains one of the strangest bans.
Yes.
It's almost always, if somebody gets banned from something, the platform feels it necessary to let the community know why that happened. And I find it to be very odd that they're not doing that. And it makes me question Twitch as well. Do they have good enough reason, as you mentioned? Yeah. Or are they hiding something themselves? You can't help but ask and wonder that. Or are they protecting him in some way or protecting someone who was affected or impacted in some way? Well. It's so many questions and your mind can go anywhere in the absence of knowing the real reason. And as is evidence here in this video, his mind is going everywhere. He says, my anxiety levels are something that comes in these huge waves. And I think it's sincere. He says, again, his quote, I'm having a hard time dealing with it, I'll be honest. Again, that's not really necessarily in character. Could it be part of the whole show? Maybe. But it would be a tough position to be in, no doubt about it.